After the recent hands-on video of the A55, now here we have the first official unboxing video of the new Galaxy A55 5G in ice blue color. This video was also posted by Zozo on Reddit. This same user posted hands-on video of Galaxy A55 recently. The Galaxy A55 features a familiar Samsung design with a glossy glass back panel. The front houses a 6.64-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with a punch hole for the front-facing camera. We can see the key island design element, which raises the frame around the power and volume buttons and should allow the A55 to look a little different than the Galaxy S24. If you look closely at the frame, the power and volume buttons in the video, you can see the shine that is expected from a metallic frame. The switch to a metal frame will be one of the upgrades the Galaxy A55 will bring and feels like the logical next step after Samsung's decision to put a glass back on the Galaxy A54 last year. Zozo posted the video with the caption, "Real unboxing of Galaxy A55 phone in ice blue color." Galaxy A55 standout features: 1650 nit peak brightness, Gorilla Glass Victus plus front and back, aluminum frame, Eclipse 530 GPU, the biggest vapor chamber ever in a series, up to 12 gigs RAM and UXS 3.1 storage, Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, Knox Vault. The more premium design will be accompanied by upgrades such as a more powerful Exynos chip with an AMD-powered GPU and the aforementioned 12 gigs of RAM. The A55 will also come with Android 14 and One UI 6 or 6.1 out of the box. The A55 may not have the artificial intelligence capabilities found on the Galaxy S24 lineup. The Galaxy A55 features a 32-megapixel front camera and a rear triple-lens setup, 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel macro. A 5,000 mAh battery with 25-watt charging, face unlock, and an in-display fingerprint scanner round out the core specifications. Samsung India is showing sneak peeks of the A55 and A35 on Twitter and its website. They've also confirmed that the phones will be launched on March 11. If you're interested, you can sign up on the Samsung website to get notified when the phones are released. As usual, Samsung hasn't told us when the new phones will come out or how much they'll cost. We'll find out all that stuff when they officially launch the A55 and A35. Samsung is hinting at some cool features for the A55 and A35, like their strong build that can resist water and dust, a fast processor, and good low-light camera performance. They're keeping the details secret for now, though. Also, Samsung has confirmed that these phones won't get updates for 7 years, which some people were hoping for. A global version of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, equipped with 6 gigs of RAM, has been spotted on Geekbench. Before its release, Geekbench benchmarks for the global version of the Galaxy A55 5G have been revealed. These benchmarks, shared by My Smart Price, give us an idea about the phone's important features and how well it performs. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G scored 1021 for single-core tests and 2897 for multi-core tests, which shows it performs quite well. It runs on Samsung's Exynos 1380 chip, which is made using a technology called 5nm EUV. This makes the phone efficient and powerful. The chip has 4 Cortex A78 and 4 A55 cores, along with an ARM Mali G68 GPU. What do you think about today's video? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.